Hi, brother. Can I just grill up some?
But of course.
I have some chicken that I want to grill up for our special guest. And Martin, I mean, you're our special guest today too. So
Nice.
I have some chicken breasts
Beautiful.
that I am going to pull together. I have my grill getting very nice and hot here. And this recipe is one of the recipes, big bowl flavors.
Okay.
I love big bowl flavors.
Yeah.
Balsamic vinegar is something that
Yes, boy.
I have played with. What we did during the course of the show and in terms of grilling outside here is really use Grace Jerk seasonings and paired it with some nice flavors. So we paired it with pesto, honey, balsamic, that kind of thing, and paired the jerk
Nice.
with the jerk flavor with some flavors. So
That's
balsamic vinegar. You guys use this?
Yeah. Chaders use it in cocktails too.
Shall I use the cocktails?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, me.
Like a reduction with that.
A reduction is such a wonderful flavor.
It is.
So I'm just
Beautiful complex.
kind of just putting some soy sauce, just about a tablespoon of soy sauce in there as well. I have some fresh lime juice,
Okay.
just to cut the vinegar a little bit. Good old Trini green seasoning.
Nice, nice, nice.
Must have some salt and pepper.
Of course.
And important ingredient now is my
Yes.
Grace Jerk seasoning. This here is the hot guy.
All
But I
right.
know you guys could handle the hot guy.
Fire, bring
Mild and hot, but I am doing 2 heaping teaspoons.
That's Game of Thrones.
But I want you guys to get a nice bite. Nice peppery bite with the balsamic flavor. You smell it, huh? So you mix everything in. You let this sit for minimum 6 hours, but feel free to leave it overnight. Chicken need at least 6 hours in a marinade. But leaving it overnight, as I have done here, I have some guys soaking and kusuming over. You understand? So the jerk kind of get all inside the creases and crevices there. This chicken goes
my
straight.
goodness.
You see him here?
Jerk chicken infusion.
Ooh, and that smell come up fast, boy.
Went straight up in my nose. Straight in my nose.
You smell my sneezing to the cocktail.
So I love a juicy chicken breast.
Right.
So I went for chicken breast. So I have that, and I'm going to put that on the grill, leave it alone, and I'm going to cover my grill for 5 to 7 minutes. Allow that chicken to do its thing, get nice grill marks. 5 to 7 minutes, and we check that bad boy back. It's probably just about 7 minutes, and I'm just going to check and see how it's looking. How we looking there, guys?
Father, looking good.
So you turn this right away, and you get some lovely grill marks. Ah, boy. And you cover him back down and leave him for another 7 to 9 minutes. So guys, are you smelling what I am smelling, or is my nose alone working?
Father, the smoke coming my way.
Yeah, smoke coming straight. And that's the powerful big flavors. So I am taking this here, but I need this to rest just for a couple minutes. Once your chicken rested, you just kind of get it cut on a nice bias. And I just will take this guy. I have some lovely salad. You eating healthy today, Chad?
I'll try to.
Yeah, you eating healthy, nice
Have any roast
salad.
pepper to go there?
Sorry?
Have any roast pepper to go there?
No, Chad, trust me. I want you to trust me here. You don't need roast pepper with this.
Alright.
Grace Jerk seasoning. And I choose a little bit of, and on top of that, I have some mild jerk seasoning that I use. And I put mayonnaise jerk seasoning just a drizzle on it.
Nice,
Put
nice.
a little drip on the salad there for you. Yeah. Chad, my boy. Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy. Grilled jerk balsamic chicken. Guys, try the recipe. We really hope you try all the recipes that we did on the grill, because it's really simple, basic stuff. And once you learn the grilling techniques, timing is everything on the grill, and do make sure you get your jerk seasonings both hot and mild, and experiment with the flavors. And thanks to our mixology team, Tyrone and Martin, putting together some wonderful cocktails for us.
Anytime, man, anytime.
Yeah, using tropical rhythms. Those tropical rhythms are fantastic. A
Yes.
nice range of fruity flavors, and they're really going good with some single malt. Cheers.
One.
Cheers. We're heading in for a sweet ending, and I'll hear about you after you taste. You're wonderful.
Yeah, see any smoke coming from your ears.
Just enough spice.
Grilling with Grace comes to you courtesy Grace Jerk Seasonings, jamming flavor.